In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo dispute is not updating. So if your Venmo dispute is not updating, it may be because of some problems. So first, you need to reach the Venmo support team by going to Me, Settings, Get Help, and Chat with Us, your Venmo application, and ask for an agent. You can also check out Connect with Support or Contact Us page for other options. You can dispute most of the Venmo transaction in the Venmo app. So first, head over to the Me tab. Select the transaction that you want to dispute, tap on Need Help, and select the statement that best describes your situation. You can also include other transactions by clicking on Add More, and after selecting your transactions, tap on Add. Click on Next and add any additional information and tap on Submit Issue. So it may take some time before it actually gives you the option or the actual results for your dispute. But if it's not updating, you need to actually go over and contact the venue support to help you resolve this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.